Welcome back, viewers. As promised, I told you I was going to teach you how to fix a stain caused by a leak. Today I'm going to use Kills 2 All-Purpose Interior Exterior Primer Multi-Surface Sealer and Stain Blocker. This is water-based, so it's easier for cleanup. Okay, so we're going to lightly coat with our Kills 2. Just get it nice on there. Use 2 coats and it should seal it. You may need a third, but after that, let it dry. And then you'll put your regular sealing coat on that, paint on there. And I just got a little brush because you can brush it on. Because we're just sealing the stain caused by that leak in the roof, which my son came over and fixed. Because I'm not getting up on the roof. Easy peasy. See how that stain just goes away, and it's super easy fix. I think this will be the second. I was just kind of going over. But you can see how that absorbs in there, and that is going to seal that stain. We just had a lot of rain, and it seeped through that pipe up on top of the roof. But we got that all fixed now. Okay, so now I'm going to put my second coat on. I'll let it dry a little bit, and then I come back and put my second coat on. Here. See, over here. I start over there. I go over there. I can't remember if I went over there first. Let me do that real quick. Okay, so I got my second coat on. Let that dry, and then you can put your sealing paint up there, and that's an easy fix. Okay, so now we have our second coat on, and we're complete, and we sealed the stain. If it does happen to bleed through, just throw another coat up there, and then you're ready for your sealing paint. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a like and a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.